So you ready for this? Yeah. Yo, make some noise one time! Voltach, it's on you.
Yo, can you all hear me?
No.
Yeah. On September 18th, when the state finally decided to make weed legal for private use, I didn't see you share or like any ganja-related news, and that's what gave me a clue. On the 29th, when you didn't show up for our bout, I was not surprised because I already knew that you want none to do with herbs. You only agreed to battle me there because you didn't want to get smoked at PTA, the irony. You tried to run from me, and 3 months later, here you are, getting smoked in PTA. But your name is shit, so as far as brand positioning, I'm not gonna get high from it. Hey yo, what the boss brought fire in the building sounds like an insurance scam. Wait, what? The boss brought fire in the building? That definitely sounds like an insurance scam. Hey yo, Cap City, Rap City, best believe I got the flair like Pyromaniac, son. The heat in this round will turn any bleached skin to its original tone within seconds of being exposed to each other. I'm all about bars, don't give a fuck if you hot on the flow. Like fire, your entire empire gets reduced to ashes. It ain't magic when I make him vanish. Next time, give me somebody my own size, you'll see the difference when I disappear. I swear, shit's tragic. It's like this bitch committed suicide cause you've been dying to meet your maker. Ayo, all caps, I'm an MC. Don't ever compare me with these flawed rappers. I'm on stage with the grab on cause I'm battling a cross-dresser. And after this, y'all can suck your boy's dick if you think Paul's better. It ain't a thing taking out each and every single one. I am a soul snatcher, a lone ranger with a stone dagger. Slaughter goes for pure pleasure, even gods get washed. That's Jesus being inducted into Christendom. Why plot when the rap schemes you lame spit only land on paper like map sheets? Don't even bother with the tough talk. I'm not shook. Don't even bother with the tough talk. I'm not shook. See, man, you're close to poos. Let's come stains on your girl's ass cheeks. Seth Rollins 2018 Royal Rumble outfit. Got flames on my jeans. This tag in heat. Voltach is a rap breed cast with rap skills. A black beast who sprays swings relentlessly. A real MC out to get his. If it wasn't for time, I'd hit you with lines longer than the vines on grape trees. I'm outstanding like unpaid fees. I was told battle rap is a game of egos. I'm not here to inflate his. What? No. Couldn't give a fuck less if y'all downplay my style and overrate his. Against me, you need to be dirty and a little twisted. That's the tail on the back of a black pig. How am I afraid of this frail thing when I've conquered ciphers with great ease? I swear each line will evoke a divine rush of energy, similar to when the Kundalini shoots up your spinal cord straight to your head's peak. This is a crazy performance. The Asylum hooked up a talent show. Y'all are here to peep mad skills. If Pope is sick, then I'm Dr. Carlos Juan Parodi. After this, I test my mad skills. Yo, best believe I'm on point. Picture a falcon on the pyramid tip, ready to take flight. I'm ready to take flight. If he's up for it, let's see how far we'll go when I test height. Won't even stretch the chick, won't even stretch the skin feather. Cause it's obvious, better the same feather flock together. Hey yo,
time. Yo, that's time right there. 3 minutes, yo. We in it, time. Yo, give him a round of applause, man. Yo, come on.
Yo.
Bo, it's on you.
Since I'm dealing with psychedelic, I guess I gotta choose bars, kid. And not play around as if I'm facing the whole team like they ill. But you suck, Vic. Therefore, I'm not fucking with VO even when I boot up, bitch. Cause you all are law-abiding citizens. With a corp as a member of a crew that do drugs, so to me it doesn't make sense that you shoot up shit. But niggas try to belittle me, but I am only here to be winning. You don't see it happen, so I stick a needle in your eye so you can pinpoint that vision. And I'll draw the liquid from your retina right in front of your army. Since you're so sure that I'm predictable, I'll shoot in my veins so that you can tell me what is it that you see inside me. If what you see is electric blue, then that's what I bleed, amplifying the auras of demons. And the firearm that I grip is hell-bent on beating this dick, like it's one of Lucifer's women. But you're such a gentle soul. But that still doesn't mean that I don't wish you dead with your brains on the pavement. And then rotting with flies all over your corpse like they're trying to hail the second in command of Satan. Nigga, you gamble with your life. And although I'm doing the devil's bidding, I swear the pipe is God sent. So Jesus will either get shot in the face or understand when you get hit with a pump like a penis enlargement. Yo, nigga, you nice. But ask Robo the technician, Ben Sharp, a pro kid, and double HP. Kim Reaper doesn't give a fuck about rap skills. That's why I stay in my lane, because where I'm from, if you talk too much, you get killed. Hence my battle technique, quick to jump to conclusions and catch a hand. While your bitch ass niggas are like poltergeist. Only mad and throwing tantrums because we're a bunch of nobodies.
What?
I'm not a lazy thinker. Check the resume. Every battle is very conceptual. And I'm not that keen on matching weights with you because I wanted to battle for 5 minutes a round. But he'd rather settle for less, like a female homosexual. But let me guess, she takes matters too personal. And sometimes when you argue, it's like she just doesn't get you. And on an individual level, it's like whenever you're out in public, a whole agenda's to upset you. So you cry like a little bitch, start submitting to and taking all of the shit, because you're a faggot man, that's what a man do. But the fact of the matter is your communication sucks. And low-key, all of your close friends can't even fucking stand you. See, she can pick up the smallest details. And she brought it up to you to raise awareness for dude. Now tell me if I'm wrong. She loves having a splash party. And out your pocket, you really cannot afford to maintain any of exquisite manners. So to put it in perspective, if your relationship was a battle, she would have pulled your card, did a mean number on you, had money in the bank, then dipped like ATM scammers. And these are the dark ages of battle rap. And Pope is not a saint either. I'm just here to add to that. Because I honestly feel like the game is back. But if you want to die for it, then I should crucify you and Jesus back to back.
Time. Yeah. Let's keep it moving. Volton, it's on you. Volton. Round 2.
I said, true shit, you weak. 1-2 hit. Your face, you lead. Western Promethazine fiends with fake scripts. There's dope buzz in store for you. I said, who the fuck is Pope? Should I even try to rebuttal? Nah, you said something about gamble. Pope doesn't want to gamble. Casino, I never bluff. Every calculated move brings down the house. That's Kevin Spacey in the movie 21. Yes. I said, if you want to hear them say you won 3-0, you need to give them more than a grand performance. I am all the thousand. Yeah, pass. I am all the thousand reasons you ain't taking the stack home. You thought doubling up the 500 bucks you originally had on his spot would make you a G? Nigga, please. Maschaba won't give you the K. I've seen how she responds to text. She's not rude like that. I said, your plans of living with the cash, I'm a ruin. Let me take you to school quick. I'ma make it hard for this kid to pick. Have my arms round that paper like I'm trying to hide what I wrote down on a page. Go ahead and flex. You're not twisted. Your material is soft as the untied tie hanging on a man's neck in the morning as he buttons up his red check shirt. Ramsam's pen move with the elegance of a straight A student prepped for the exam ahead. Yo, I said, this could have ended in JSAC, but he ran scared. All he did was delay that. But now, the nigga is in the capital receiving his punishment, and it's fitting since the theme is capital punishment. The public is looking at me with inquisitive eyes like, will he lynch him? Nah, for the shock value, I'm stringing up the square. That's Ben Franklin when he flew a kite. Lou, I thought you knew. Against my kind. Whoa, hold it down. Lou, I thought you knew. Against my kind, you need to be more charged up than the last chat that Bundy set on. I am nothing to be slept on. Your head is round. It's obvious. This fight is mine. Got the whole thing in my hands. Jesus Christ. There's more to the scheme. You get 30 for chasing profit like the Judas. Ask Judas, who was betrayed if Jesus is the one who planted the idea in his head during the Last Supper as they ate. Suicide and crucifixion, that's their fate. My rounds go through the same process. The setup leads to the execution. Today, it won't be any different. I'm gonna nail all three to the T. That's Jesus, Dismas, and Gestas. I'll be damned if I lose to this wet fuck.
Hold it down, hold it down. Yo, calm down, hold it down.
In Blackstop, he's young Kakara traveling on Nimbus. Kid is gassed up. I don't give a fuck if you were sharp then. But now, you're more like of a circumcised dick. You just don't cut it anymore.
Time! Yo, Pope, it's on you.
Yo, what I expect on the next round is my ex this and my ex that. Like I lost something so valuable that whatever comes next, I'll never gain anything higher than that amount. But thankfully, after she left, I'm making money off the stock exchange, started investing, and I even got to open an international bank account.
Meaning that dude saved my life by saving her from me. And that boosted my IQ and confidence, and now I can say with certainty that valid. Women are dream killers. You see, this was meant to be an inside joke, which I also find funny. So to be the bigger man from me to you, shout out, dog, you a real nigga. But you see, right now I'm a part-time PUA that got first-year college students all on my dick. I don't pay for sex. While they're celebrating vagina that hit the wall, they got a time they can clean my thick piss off, nigga. I don't say for tech. And I'll have ram through shit on some anal chick with this man in the ski. Cause in my head, herbs and psychedelic semen are cheap. But on God, my sharp nails versus your lightning blade. I'm an immortal that appreciates that your 1,000 birds sing with me. And my high evolution reptilian race allows for me to body everybody you face. So it's off with your head as I swing quickly. And I'm shock proof with my feet firmly grounded. This should have taken place millennia ago, but this day's time has been lessening. And I conduct the hate. So call me McCloud, taking on vault age, and capital punishment is the quickening. And my message to you, sound likes, is that your group thinking sucks. To me, suggests that you don't own any of your thoughts. To them, you only do because of familiarity and confirmation bias, not because of what your spirit enjoyed. Alternate facts cause a dissonance in your neurons like an important life lesson you forgot. And I'm bringing this head shot. And for sleeping on me, I'll hack into your brains as if I'm offering cognitive support. But shout out to growing up. Something you still need to understand up until then is far from being a winner. But it's bars over jokes, but you acting up. And that performance is a killer. Only to cover up the fact that you really a beginner. Still capital punishment, get blue all over V. You might as well have caught an STD from a toilet seat. What the fuck kind of case? But you're a dick with yeast infection and I brought the heat. So I get him shook and make him bubble up till he salted and throw some slugs to his face. You a shallow moral and that forces to be deep. That's why those in their tombs can never show love. And you make for a brilliant basic human being, but against the spawn of a titan, you have no luck. I'll stimulate your third eye and leave it open when I have a unibrow cut. Cause the next round is murder. But since you're so nice with the freestyle, I'm daring you to swim out at the pool of your own blood. Yo.
Alright, that's time. Pause it, pause the time. Should I pause that time? Oh, don't worry about it. Keep going then. If it's paused, keep going. Don't worry about it.
Look, I came here hitchhiking all the way from Klerksdorp to exercise my prejudice and put their suspicions to rest. That you are only just cool as a person, but your boss isn't the best. As for your friends, just a bunch of liars. I'll ignite your solar plexus and leave your chest inspired. It might also be the fault of your lover for making him believe that volcano. Nigga, you lacking in passion and fire. But these are the dark ages of battle rap. And Pope is not a saint either. I'm just here to add to that. Because I honestly feel like the game is back. But if you want to die for it, then I'll crucify you and Jesus back to back.
Time! Yeah! Yo, round 3. You ready, Volt Talk?
Fuck what you had. Ask the streets of Bram. This is a two-face spitter. You said something about your ex, and I automatically thought of Roman figures. When I X, it ain't degeneration celebrating in the ring. It's just me showing you that this is a 3-0. I said, you definitely don't know who Ransom is if you have me losing to the web trashy road. I'm beyond this mortal's technique. He out here dancing with the devil. He must have never heard the song. L or Dab. I won't debate the bull, even if it's a debate the bull like you, stuck in between the two. Pound for pound, this style clone doesn't come close. Hell, you having a difficulty keeping up. It must be limbo how you keep throwing the part down low. Heaven, hell, limbo. I said, if you want to be Pope, raise your hand up. Like Cardinal Jorge Mario Bergoglio taking an oath. I'm no stranger to danger. Voltaire has been in and out of hot situations like baking pots. That's how I know. You are no threat at all. Now tell me, Paul, what I can pass to a downtown scheming, hunger-driven hustler living on the edge of a sharp knife. To pass time, I dodge bullets from a raging mob. They never despoiled. You told the host we got some unfinished business? Psh, please, I'm just here to put P in the box. That's the 16th letter in alphabet blocks. Where I'm from, Your style gets the thumbs down. That's me on my way to Northwest trying to catch a hike solo. First time.
Hold it down. Hold it down, hold it down.
I said, where I'm from, your style gets the thumbs down. That's me on my way to Northwest trying to catch a hike solo. First time at your league, I told you give me the best there is. BWC was the next sacrifice. I told you give me the best there is because there's no bitch in me like an old boy high school class photo. BWC was the next sacrifice after Ossify got crucified with freestyles, and we are only here because you don't cut the balls to take me on at your own court. Instead, you gave me a homo. I honestly thought battle rap was my ticket to see the world, but the faggotry happening down there makes me want to battle at home more. It gets tense in the hood. It gets tense in the hood, like the circus is in town. Like the circus is in town. Ringmaster, I've been taking these cats through hot rounds. It ain't a thing, what a night to kill a clown. Fuck you with a smile on my face, that's Pogo. Straight out of Soweto, Hebs is homegrown, yon. You a better freestyler than I. Nigga, please, we never catch you with your pants down because you don't compare thick sizes. It's noise when it's rhyming. You'll never kick it quite like me, chill. You know my freeze smoking like dry ice, never tongue-tied. I can repel with a cold round. It can feel like I just threw back a snowball. In Flagstop, I'm setting. My bar format was worshipped from the jump, like Lucifer when he left the Christian God's divine abode. My presence alone had you all on survival mode. I slaughter goats with purpose. That's African elders trying to please tribal gods. Voltaire has more bodies underground than all catacombs in Rome combined. If you spit something that's not originally yours, I'll probably tell you where you stole the line or let it slide like you told the curtains at night. Yo, you don't want to bite with me. That's a loose tooth. You screwed, dude. We in PTA. In case you didn't notice, this is all caps. Like how you spell motherfucking Doom's name when you search on YouTube. How are you a threat when your best attempt at a rebuttal is you too? I said, Master Chan, bring whoever, old school or new era. I lay these squares on top of each other, got every corner covered when I triangles. Hey, see? That's how you design the all caps logo.
Paul, a time!
Another dope poet / lyricist that's about to fade away. 5 years from now, you'll still be a joke whose tracks get no radio play. Only getting love from a small fraction of obsolete hip-hop heads because your bars ain't shit. In and out of relationships while you having no determination and drive. So after your petty little arguments deep down inside, you know what bugs your bitch. And you really have to explain to her what else your financial plans are. Apart from gambling her sasa money on a hater that babble facts. And you may even 3-0 me today. But I brought up some shit to think about. And that's something that can be sorted out with battle rap. So go ahead and say fuck the hope. But you started the battle league and call it herbs because y'all are herbs and a bunch of jokes. It actually stands for human ego ripped battle zone. Nigga, y'all still herbs, now get your human ego ripped, crushed and smoked. Because your estrogen level is skyrocketing. You must be the first woman in space. And you ask the hope for Trump.
Yo, hold it down, yo!
Your estrogen level is skyrocketing. You must be the first woman in space. And you ask the host for transport money from JZ to Cap City, your entitlement is embedded with bitch traits. If I slap your bitch ass, I might get arrested for attempted rape. Plus you are spoiled bred who's far from being a man, son. And I'm willing to cross that line, but if this was basketball to get your point across, you would throw tantrums. So when I cut V-neck, it's not a fashion statement. It'll be the last breath that the kid takes.
Yo, hold it down, yo! Wait, stop, man. He's not done.
He's sweating.
Shut the fuck up!
Yeah, let's go.
You're talking shit. When I cut V-neck, it's not a fashion statement. It'll be the last breath that the kid takes. Cause look, opinions are like assholes and this faggot finds it very difficult to get shit straight. I mean, down to pheromones and instincts, women are cheapskates who choose to fall pregnant by a nigga that fall victim to their manipulation. All facts. On our way here, you were asking me about my ex. All facts. Come the fuck on, man. All facts. On our way here, you were asking me about my ex, but according to pheromones and instincts, women choose to fall pregnant by niggas that fall victim to their manipulation. Okay.
Hey, come on, yo. Come on. Hold on. Let him finish.
Okay. Down to pheromones and instincts, women choose a cheapskates who choose to fall pregnant by niggas that fall victim to their manipulation. All facts. But according to you, I'm the idiot because my girl left. I think someone between the two of us suffers from major hallucinations. Like he wants to be esoteric, while I'm a direct descendant of Khotso Situnza. So of course I am grim. I might be no one to y'all, but as an infant I had a lightning bolt paying homage. I guess I'm important to them. So your internet witchcraft is weak. Let's not have your family grieving for weeks having talks with the wind. Because when I center myself, you get forced out your skin. I mean, that's what happens when you're trying to share a box with a gin. See? The truth in my metaphors for you is frowned upon like a chin on an ugly face that's crying for help. But you're a bad hurt soul loser who gets rubbed the wrong way for not applying yourself. Shit.
Time. Yo, give him a round of applause.